Hello everyone, welcome to my free online tutorial for the new SAT Math section. Now the problem that you see on your screen right now is problem number 20 in the first exam contained in the official SAT study guide just released by College Board. So problem number 20, the first exam in the calculator section. Okay, so this problem requires the use of a calculator. Okay, so this is a typical word problem that requires you to understand the mathematical symbols behind the words that you will read here. Okay, so let's see. Let's go step by step. Alma bought a laptop computer at a store that gave a 20% discount off its original price. Okay, so from this we understand that there's an original price and the store gave Alma 20% discount. So what does that mean? That means that she paid the entire thing minus the 20% of it, right? So she paid 80% of its original price. And next it says the total amount she paid to the cashier was P dollars, including an 8% sales tax on the discounted price. Right? So not only that she paid 80% of the original price, she also paid an 8% sales tax on the discounted price. So make sure you understand 8% sales tax was calculated based on the discounted price, right? Not the original price. Now it asks you which of the following represents the original price of the computer in terms of P. Right, so we have to assign a variable of some sort to the original price so that we can express it in terms of P. And P is the total amount that Alma paid, which includes the 20% discount off of the original price and the 8% sales tax collected on the discounted price. Okay, so I label here in my solution as follows. P, let big P, the capital P, be the original price. Okay? We have a small p as the amount Alma paid, and let's have the capital P be the original price. Now, the discounted price, as you see here, is what Alma pays. She doesn't pay the whole original price, she pays the discounted price, so we have to minus the 20%. And if you know that 20% corresponds to a decimal and then 20, right? In other words, 2/10, right? 2/10. So 1 minus 2/10 is equal to 8/10, right? 8/10 times P, right? So 0.80 P times P, and simply 0.8P, right? 8/10 times P is the discounted price that Alma pays. See? She pays 80% of the original price. Now, the next step is the sales tax. So the sales tax on discounted price is 8%. And if you once again, to transform percentage into a number, we have to divide whatever the percentage is divided by 100, right? So if you divide 8 by 100, you will get 0.08. Right? So the same thing here. In the discounted price, we divided 20 by 100 to get 0.20. Right? And the same thing here. And 80% pertains to 80 divided by 100, which gives you 0.8. So the same thing here. The 8% sales tax is 8 divided by 100, which gives you this amount here, 0.08, and that should be multiplied to the discounted price. Note that 0.8p is the discounted price, not the original price, the discounted. So you calculate that sales tax based off of the discounted price, right? So this is the total sales tax collected, this thing here, okay? This amount. Now, so now that we have all the components for P, the P dollars, the total that Alma pays to the hotel, sorry, what am I saying? To the store, at the laptop computer store, is going to be expressed as the original, the discounted price, 0.8p, plus the sales tax collected off of the discounted price. Right? So two components must be summed up to produce the P, which is the amount that Alma pays to the laptop computer store. Okay? So now if we combine these two, we can see that a common term for both is 0.8p. You see here 0.8p and 0.8p as well. So we combine it so that we would have one product this way. So 0.8p is the common term. So we combine it with having parentheses 1, because 1 times 0.8p is just 0.8p, right? So 1 plus 0.08, which multiplies 0.8p as well, which is here, right? So now it's easier for us to sum this up now that it's in parentheses, and it simply combines as 1.08, right? 1.08 is the sum here. So this whole thing, this whole expression here, the product here, the final product, expresses P, the amount that Alma pays to the laptop computer store, right? And that's 0.8 times 1.08 times P. Now we're ready to express P, the capital P that is, in terms of small p, right? Because that's what the question asks you. Which of the following represents the original price of the computer in terms of P? So we have to isolate the capital P, the original price, right? So in order to do that, we have to get rid of these two guys here, right? We have to divide both of them out. So both sides must be divided by 0.8 and also must be divided by 1.08. And to do that, P becomes alone, and on the left side we have here P is the small p is divided by 0.8 and also divided by 1.08, right? So this is your final result, and you see this result in choice D here. So you know that this is an absolutely correct answer choice, which expresses the original price in terms of the price that Alma pays and whatever the numbers are involved, which are these two numbers here.